एक्साइटेड, हम बहुत एक्साइटेड हैं कि हम उद्योग प्लस हमारा जो B2B MSME प्लेटफॉर्म है वो लॉन्च कर रहे हैं। एंड फर्स्ट मार्केट जहां हम लॉन्च कर रहे हैं, हम गुजरात में लॉन्च कर रहे हैं। तो क्लियरली दिस इज़ अ फोकस सेगमेंट एंड फोकस मार्केट फॉर अस। इस प्लेटफॉर्म में हम 2 लाख तक के लोन्स जो हैं हम इंस्टेंट डिसीजन करेंगे इन टर्म्स ऑफ once the application is completed, we can give a decision instantly. Also, up to 10 lakhs, we can provide the loans basis the certain documents which we would require from the customer. So clearly, we want to reach out to the larger small businesses in Gujarat and provide them a simple, seamless, a digital journey without any paper. So clearly making this journey a very simple journey so that small businesses can avail loans for their working capital, for their any business expansion needs. Also केवल लोन नहीं, हम अदर प्रोडक्ट्स ऑल्सो इस प्लेटफॉर्म पे प्रोवाइड करेंगे, जैसे प्रोटेक्शन, इन्वेस्टमेंट प्रोडक्ट्स, also many other value added services also we will provide on this platform. So clearly looking at a holistic solution for our MSME customers. So we are very excited to launch our Udyog Plus in Gujarat, and we are looking forward to a very enriching and encouraging experience in Gujarat. So thank you so much.
So what is the duration of granting loan if proper papers are in proper order?
So depending whether it's a 2-year loan or a 3-year loan, depending on the eligibility of the customer, we will provide the loan for that certain. If it's a supply chain loan, then the tenor will be only for the tenor of the invoice. So clearly, depending on the product and depending on the customer, in terms of what is their end uses, the tenor will depend.
Whether you will offer offline also loan or only online? Since it is digitized now.
So up to 10 lakhs, we will provide digital journeys. Beyond that, if the customer is looking at, customer को अगर 10 लाख से ऊपर का लोन चाहिए, तो वो फिर हमारे ब्रांच के थ्रू उसको असेसमेंट करना पड़ेगा। हमारे जो ब्रांच क्रेडिट मैनेजर्स हैं, वो जाके कस्टमर्स से मिलेंगे, उनका ड्यू डिलिजेंस करेंगे, उनका बिजनेस असेस करेंगे, एंड डिपेंडिंग ऑन वेदर इट फिट्स इनटू आवर क्रेडिट प्रोफाइल, उसके बेसिस पे या तो लोन अप्रूव होगा और या रिजेक्ट होगा। सो उसके 10 लाख के ऊपर भी हम करेंगे, बट दैट विल बी थ्रू आवर ब्रांचेस।
Thank you, sir.
And attend this the launch of Udyog Plus. We are really very excited to launch Udyog Plus. Gujarat वैसे भी is very close to my heart. I started my career almost 27-28 years back here in Ahmedabad. Standard Chartered बैंक से मैंने ज्वाइन किया था और उन दिनों से my career journey has moved. So it's very close to my heart, and that is the reason जब उद्योग प्लस लॉन्च करने की बारी आई तो हमने सोचा कि अहमदाबाद से अच्छी जगह ये हो नहीं सकती है जहाँ पे हम ये लॉन्च करें। So that is the reason why we are here. Our first market launch for Udyog Plus is here in Ahmedabad. And as all of you know, Gujarat is a thriving state where entrepreneurship is celebrated, and we have seen, if you look at the MSMEs, now we have close to 33 lakh MSMEs in Gujarat. This has grown 60% in the last 5 years. So that clearly demonstrates the thriving business culture which we have in Gujarat and Ahmedabad. So that's the reason we are here, launching Udyog Plus. Also, our idea of creating a platform is to make the life simple for MSMEs. Majority of SMEs are micro in nature. Their needs are small. They need to really look at the working capital requirements, the capex requirement, and for all these financing solutions is what we have launched Udyog Plus. तो ये B2B MSME प्लेटफॉर्म है जहां पे पेपरलेस, frictionless digital journeys up to 10 lakh is what we provide immediately. In terms of decisioning, we provide up to 10 lakhs immediately, up to 2 lakhs with no documentation, instant we approve the loan. So clearly, I think it's a simplifying the journey and simplifying the entire customer experience is what we are really targeting. Aditya Birla Finance, जैसा कि आपने सुना, is one of the leading NBFCs in the country. हमारा 50% of our loan book is towards MSMEs. So we are already very strong in this sector. And we have a huge presence in Gujarat already. What this platform will do is, this platform will take us to the next level in terms of scaling. So we can acquire customers at large scale. Customers whose needs are small in terms of up to 2 lakhs, up to 10 lakhs, and even if their requirements are higher, that also we will then route it through our branches. डिजिटल जर्नी जो है अप टू 10 lakhs होगी. ऑल्सो ये प्लेटफॉर्म जो है बहुत ही इन टर्म्स ऑफ इफ यू लुक एट इट meets the 360-degree needs of the customer, meaning holistic needs. is just ऐसा नहीं कि लोन चाहिए तभी इस प्लेटफॉर्म पे. लोन के अलावा what we have done is we have tied up with for all value-added services. So insurance, investments, they can really avail all these products on this platform. Apart from that, a lot of these MSMEs, they need a lot of help in terms of कि कैसे tax filing कैसे करते हैं. So accounting tools. So we have tied up with the partners who can provide solutions on accounting for these MSMEs. Corporate travel, in terms of HR payroll, all of these value-added services we are bringing it on this platform. और इस platform में हम क्या कर रहे हैं? ये we are trying to integrate with the external ecosystem. So large e-commerce players also अगर आप देखें तो पिछले 5-6 साल में digital payments, digital e-commerce has grown quite well. So what we have done is we have tied up with the private e-commerce players and also with the government platform, Open Credit Enablement Network. We have tied up with that. All sellers on that platforms will be able to avail financing from Aditya Birla Capital and Aditya Birla Finance. So clearly that's what we are looking at, कि जिसको working capital requirement है for that. So clearly we are looking at business loans, which can be term loans, then supply chain financing. That means invoice discounting. If this MSME wants to buy something from their large anchor, so clearly we can finance that. Also merchant cash advance. That again, so all of this can really help in terms of meeting the working capital needs of the customers. Also, अगर ये MSMEs capex करना चाहते हैं, कुछ investment करना चाहते हैं अपने business में, तो हम उनको business loans provide कर सकते हैं. So clearly looking at end-to-end solution for these MSMEs, and so that the journeys can be simple, seamless, and experience can be great. So that's what we are really looking at, and we have built that. In terms of what more can be done, we have started with this. We will evolve as customers comes on this platform. We will have more insights about these customers, their needs, and we will keep evolving. So, आपको मैं बताऊं, first 45-50 days में ही we have close to 50,000 registrations on this platform. So clearly the MSMEs are coming and registering themselves on this platform. What we are looking at, कि whatever facilities or features which we have provided today, we will really continue to strengthen that. But as we keep getting customers' insights, I think we will keep in terms of evolving the features and on this platform. So clearly looking at end-to-end holistic solution for the MSMEs. We believe India, if you take if you see India's GDP, 1/3 of the GDP is contributed by the MSME segment. But उनको जो credit मिलता है, वो credit is very less. So only 14.5-15% of the credit of the overall credit is towards the MSMEs. So clearly there is a huge gap between what their needs are and what the entire industry is really providing them. And these MSMEs have been borrowing from friends, families, through informal sources. But as we have seen in the last 5-6 years, as I mentioned earlier, the digital payments, the e-commerce platform, where all of these MSMEs are. Also, look at GST. I think digitization across, which is happening. So account aggregator platform आया है, GST आया है. Now we can use alternate data sources to underwrite these loans. So we have built scorecards for these MSMEs, and on that scorecard we will be able to really underwrite these MSMEs. But clearly the data which will be available with us, not only through our platform but also through account aggregator, through GST, through other platforms which we have, we can use that and really score these customers and provide them loans. So idea is, how do we really make it more inclusive from an MSME point of view, financial inclusion as we call it, but making it more inclusive for MSMEs. So that is what the idea is. We are very, very excited because this will help us to scale and acquire smaller MSMEs at a large scale. We can acquire them based on their needs. उनकी needs अगर 2 लाख की है, 3 की है, 4 लाख की है, जितने की, we can acquire them at that loan level, and as they grow, क्योंकि ये सब businesses धीरे धीरे grow करते रहते हैं, तो as they grow up, we will keep really increasing the relationship with these MSMEs, because we will have information on these MSMEs and these small businesses. We will have enough information on the basis of which we will be able to provide them working capital requirement, in terms of we can provide them the capital requirement which they want to invest back in the business. So clearly very, very excited in terms of really launching Udyog Plus. This is one of its kind, a very differentiated platform which it is. There are some banks which has platform like this, but those are more which is caters to their existing customers. Ours is an open market platform, and we should be able to really look after their entire needs, and not only to the existing to ABFL and ABC customers, but customers who are coming to us from, let's say, these public e-commerce platform like OCAN, ONDC, all of this, we should be able to provide them a financing solution. So very, very excited. We are looking at really penetrating deep and providing financing solutions in Gujarat, because we believe this is a thriving business community we have here in Gujarat, and the opportunity for us is huge. We want to leverage this platform. So clearly accessibility, ease of reaching out is immense. Paperless is up to 2 lakhs, and beyond that also they will have to just upload certain documents. So clearly paperless, digital and seamless journey.
This platform is. In next 10 minutes I will take you to the platform. I will actually show you how it works in a live environment, how a business, any business or SME can use this platform for servicing all their needs. But before that, there is a small video which will also give you a glimpse of this platform, and I would request you can play that video.
Being a small business owner can feel like a never-ending juggling act. Trying to keep networking, financing, sales, bookkeeping, compliance and overall business needs in balance. But with Aditya Birla Finance Limited, now you don't have to do it alone. We are here to be your safety net. We take care of all your needs